In this video, I am going to show you how to use Janus Pro for image understanding with no coding required. Let's get started. First, go to the Janus Pro 7b page. Once you're there, scroll down and look for the multimodal window just below the flux generator. Next, upload your image using the Dropbox area. This can be anything like a screenshot, a document, a chart, or even code. After that, type your question in the question box. For example, you can ask, "What is going on in this image?" Extract the text or convert this code to Python. Then click the chat button and wait for Janus Pro to analyze your image. With this tool, you can describe scenes, extract text using OCR, understand charts and diagrams, and even convert code from images into different programming languages. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.